Baby, we made it. There's the ship.
Oh,
you ready to board this thing?
It was a very long taxi ride.
Yep. So let's go hop in here and see what this is about.
Do what we do.
Yes, do what we do. Let's go to the terminal. I ain't joking. That was an expensive taxi ride, but it took us an hour and a half to get here, and it cost us about $100. But that's the way it is. That's what the price you gotta pay on a day like this. So we gotta go get in this line and get checked in. All right, we made it through security really quick.
It was straight through.
And there's the duty-free area if you want anything to take on the ship with you, candy or something else, other stuff. But we're gonna work our way to this way, I guess, and we'll work our way through security up here, get our tickets, and then on to the ship we go. Alright, we're gonna stop recording here until we get on the other side and toward the ship. We're heading to the ship. Look how happy Marcy is. We have made it through our passports scan, and now we're gonna work our way. You can take a picture right there in front of the ship. Let's work our way. We're gonna board the ship and we're gonna take you to our stateroom and show you that. Wow. We're almost here. And as soon as you get on, this is what it looks like. We are ready to party. Look at that. Y'all want to go that way, don't you? Let's do it. Let's go that way.
Singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up our love friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention. Yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long.
We have made it to our cabin. We have made it to 8153. Wow. Wait till you see this. This is nice. But yeah, that was the boarding. That was the little tour right quick. This is the room. Hope you enjoyed it. And
like, subscribe, ring that bell.
what she said,
help
if
us
you're
grow our
enjoying this,
channel.
yeah, make sure you keep watching and we'll see you on the next one.
See ya.
Bye.